Okay, so we just got done with those rims. So now we're gonna move on to the rear back dash. You guys want to take a look? Like it says, for the 68 Caprice. So I'm gonna need to put this phone down and everything so I could grab this out, and then we'll get to the car. Hold on a sec. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. So it's all brand new board. It's got the vinyl already on it too. You know, that goes in between the seat and the back wall divider, and then they got the little foam here. So this is all black, and these I'm gonna have to bend these up real lightly. I don't know if you see the perforated line right there, but it has it all the way around the back too. You know, it's just where it fits all the way in, you know, with the curvature of the back window. So let's get this over there real quick. Okay, let's get this in here. Try to get it in here without scratching something up. Oh yeah, and like I said, I got new interior in here already. You know, I've been keeping you guys out of the loop. Sorry, you guys, but you know, I got to keep moving on and keep going on. So let's get this in here. Like I said, it's rear back dash. So let's get it in here. Whoa. Okay. So, like I said, we're gonna end up bending it up. You see for the back line right there. So let's get this in here real quick. Probably gonna have to bend these up before I can even, yeah. You guys, you have to give me a minute. Hold on a sec. Okay, you guys, so I had to bend up these corners here, like I was saying, on the little perforated line right here, all the way down and around in order to get this in. So then we'll just shove it straight to the back. Let's see if I can get this in here. Let me see. So I got that side in. And these are going to be covered by the sail panels right here. These little edges here. We got the brand new sail panels already too. So I'm gonna get this in here. It is a snug fit, and then like I was saying, the back area here is gonna go up. You see the little line right there? It's gonna go up under this area right here. And then, you know, you put in the sail panels right here on the side, right over the tops of these, because it holds it in. So let's see what we do from here. I'll get back with you, Hogs of Sound TV, later. I'm just gonna finish this up, you guys. I mean, you guys know where it goes. I mean, you can see I just don't want to mess it up. So let me see. Hold on. Okay, so we're in all the way around to the sides. Like I said, those tabs bend up, and there's that little line in the back. And then, like I said, this goes over the top of this, or in between the seats. Just fold it over, you know, secure it down, and I'll get those sail panels in. I'll do that on the next vid, you guys, because you know, just want to keep moving on here, you know. So I'll get back with you when I get sail panels in. Hogs of Sound TV later. Okay, so that's kind of pretty much what it looks like, you guys. I'm holding it down right here because I gotta tuck it in, but that's what the new rear back dash looks like on the 68 Caprice. That's it. Hogs of Sound TV later, you guys.